Hello, my dear students of class 4. Welcome to maths class once again. Today I am going to teach you new exercise of exercise 4.3. As we have already done exercise 4.1 to today we are going to do exercise 4.3. So you can see exercise 4.3 there are three questions. 1, 2, 3. What is number 1 question? Divide the following by the long division method. Number 2 is fill in the boxes. Q stands for quotient and R stands for remainder. Number 3, identify the following numbers as even or odd and fill in the boxes. So these are three types of questions in exercise 4.3. Okay, number 1 you already know how to do the division by long division method. Okay, this one also I have taught you in my previous exercise. Okay, so this one is also easy, and this one also I will teach you what does even and odd number means. Okay, so let's start our today's class with question number 1. Okay, so you can see here. So question number 1, divide the following by the long division method. So here I have taken 4 questions from question number 1, A, C, F and H. Okay, so now let's start with A. Okay, so what we have to do is that this one is called what? Dividend, and this one is called divisor. Okay, so dividend should be where? Dividend should be inside. Okay, and what is the dividend? 1477, and divisor should be outside. Okay, so I have written here. Now what you have to do is that this one is what? Divisor, and what it is? 5. So we have to divide this 1477 by 5. Okay, so let's start with the first digit 1. 1 is less than 5 and 1 doesn't come in 5 table. It is less than 5. Okay, so what we will do is that we will take this 2 digit, and what it becomes? 14. What? 14. Okay. In 5 table 14 does not come. Okay, so let's read 5 table. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Okay, so 15 is there, 10 is there. Okay, so we have to write the number which is less than 14, not more than 14. So what is less than 14 is what? 10. 5 2 ja 10. So we'll write here 2. Okay, 5 2 ja 10. Okay, now what you have to do is subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we'll put the cross. Now bring this 7 down. Okay, now it has become 47. What it has become? 47. Okay, so in 5 table 47 is there. Let's read 5 table. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45, 5 10 ja 50. Okay, 45 is there and 50 is there. Okay, so we cannot write the number which is more than this. So we will not write 50. 50 is more than 47. We will take less than 47. So what is less than 47? 45. So 5 9 ja 45. Okay, 5 9 ja 45. Now subtract it. 7 minus 5 is how much? 2. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So put the cross. Now bring this 7 down. Okay. Now 5, how much is 27? In 5 table 27 is there? No, it is not there. Okay. 5 5 ja 25 is there, and 5 6 ja 30 is there. So we will not write 30 because 30 is more than 27. We will write the number which is less than 27. And what is that? It is 25. So 5 5 ja 25. Okay, now subtract it. 7 minus 5 is how much? 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Now you can see that the number in the dividend is finished. Now no more numbers are there. Okay, and at last how much we have got? 2. Okay, it was not divisible by 5. That is why we got this 2 as a remainder. So in my previous exercise I have taught you long division method. So it was fully divisible, just we got the quotient, there were no remainder. But now we have got the remainder also. Okay, remainder. And this is what? Quotient. This one is the divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Okay, so what is the quotient? Let's write here. Q means quotient. Quotient is 295. This one is what? Quotient. Okay, this one is quotient. And R means remainder. So what is the remainder? 2. Okay, before this we have done, we got the remainder as 0. So that is why we are not writing. And here we got the remainder as 2. Okay, so now let's see question number 1C. Okay, how to do? Same way we will put the dividend where? Inside. Okay, dividend will be inside. And what is the dividend? 7970. And what is the divisor? 8. 8 will be outside. So in 8 table 7 is there and 7 is less than this 8. Okay, we cannot divide 7 by 8. Okay, because 7 is what? Less than this 8. Okay, and in 8 table 7 doesn't come only. Okay, so that is why we will take this 2 digit, that is 79. So in 8 table 79 is there. So in 8 table 79 is there? No or yes. Let's read the 8 table. Okay, then we will come to know whether 79 is there or not there. We have to take the number which is less than this or what. Okay, so let's read 8 table. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72, 8 10 ja 80. Okay, so 8 10 ja 80 is there and 8 9 ja 72 is there. And this one is what? 79. What it is? 79. So we have to take the number which is less than 79. So what is less than 79? 72. No. If I'll take 80, it will be more than 79. So we have to take the number which is less than 79. So it is 72. So 8 9 ja 72. Okay. Now subtract it. 9 minus 2 is how much? 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So put the cross. Bring this 7 down. 77. So in 8 table 77 is there? No. Just now we read the 8 table. 8 9 ja 72. 8 10 ja 80. So again we have to write 72 because it is less than 77. Okay. So 8 9 ja 72. Okay. 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. Bring this 0. Oh. Put here cross. Okay, 7 minus 7 is 0. Put the cross. So bring this 0 down. So 50. In 8 table 50 comes? No. Okay. 8 6 are 48. 8 7 are 56. Okay. So 56 is more than 50. So we'll take the number which is less than 50. That is 48. So 8 6 are 48. Now let's subtract. From 0 we cannot subtract 8. So this 0 will take one carry from this 5. Okay. So this 5 will become what? 4. And this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is how much? 2. Okay. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So what it is? It is remainder. Okay. And what is this? This is quotient. Okay. So let's write here what is quotient. Quotient is 996. Okay. And what is the remainder? Is 2. Okay. So it is so easy, no? You will do step by step. Then you can do it more easily. Okay. So now let's see F. Same way. Okay. Dividend will be inside. And what is the dividend? 67,610. And what is the divisor? 7. Now in 7 table 6 is not there. So we'll take this 2 digit. It is 67. Okay. So in 7 table 67 doesn't come. So we'll write less than 67. And what is that? 63. So 7 9 ja 63. Okay. 7 minus 3 is how much? How much? 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. So put cross. Okay. Bring this 6 down. 46. So in 7 table 46 is there? No. Okay. Less than this what is there? 42. So 7 6 are 42. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we'll put the cross. Bring this 1 down. So in 7 table 41 is there? No, it is not there. Okay, so we have to write the number which is less than 41. So what is less than 41? Is 35, and it comes 7 5s are 35. Okay, 7 5s are 35. Okay, now subtract it. From 1 we cannot subtract 5, so this 1 will take 1 borrowing from this 4. Okay, so 4 will become 3 and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 5 is how much? 6. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring this 0 down. In 7 table 60 is there? No, not there. 60. Less than 60, what is there? Is 56. So 7 8 ja 56. Okay, so now let's subtract. From 0 we cannot subtract 6. So 0 will take 1 borrowing from this 6. 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 6 is how much? 4. And 5 minus 5 is 0. So this one is the remainder and this one is the quotient. Okay, so what is the quotient? Is 9658 and what is the remainder is how much? 4. Okay, so you have to read 7 table and you have to see whether that number comes in that table or not. Okay, one by one you have to see that. Okay, now H. Okay, this last question. Okay, same way again we will do dividend inside. And what is the dividend this time? 92,129 and divisor is 9. So in 9 table 9 comes no, so we'll write 9 1 ja 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, so put the cross. Bring this 2 down. So in 9 table 2 doesn't come no, that is why what we will write? 9 zeros are 0. 2 is less than this 9. Okay, 2 is less than this 9. That is why we will write what? 9 zeros are 0. Okay, and 2 minus 0 is what? 2. Bring this 1 down. Okay, in 9 table 21 is there. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27. So 18, 27. We cannot write 27. 27 is more than 21. Okay, so we will take what? We will take 18. 9 2 ja 18. 9 2 ja 18. Okay, so let's subtract this. From 1 we cannot subtract 8. So 1 will take 1 borrowing from this 2. 2 will become 1. Okay, and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 8 is how much? Is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Put cross. Okay, now what we will bring is this 2. Okay, we will bring this 2 down. So in 9 table 32 is there? 9 table 32 is there? No, it is not there. 9 3 ja 27 will write because this is less than 32. Okay, and 36 is more than 32, that is 9 4 ja 36. So we'll write 9 3 ja 27. Okay, so from 2 we cannot subtract 7, so 2 will take 1 borrowing from this 3. 3 will become 2 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7 is how much? 5. And 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So I'll put the cross. Bring this 9 down. This one is the last one. 59. So in 9 table 59 is there. Let's read 9 table. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63. So 9 6 ja 54 is there, 9 7 ja 63 is there, but 59 is not there. So what we will write? We will write less than this 59. And what is that? 9 6 ja 54. So 9 minus 6 is how much? Is 5. And 5 minus 5 is 0. So what is the, so this one is the remainder and this one is the quotient. Okay, so what is the quotient? Quotient is how much? It is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. That means 10,236 is the quotient and remainder is what? 5. Okay, so with this I have completed question number 1. Divide the following by the long division method. Okay, so this was very easy and this time remainder was there. Okay, so you have to do it step by step. You will do it, will become very easy for you to do. Okay, so now let's see question number 2 how to do. Okay, so what is question number 2? Fill in the boxes. Q stands for quotient and R for remainder. So question number 2, we have to fill in these boxes. Okay, So I will do this with the easy method. I will not do this long division method or short division method. Okay, I will do in I'll fill this box in shortcut method. Okay, I will teach you. It will be very easy for you to do, and you will use this shortcut one only when it is divided by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, whatever it is, the number containing the 0. Okay, at that time you will do when the divisor is 10, 100 and all. Okay, don't do with this type of. Okay, whatever I'm going to teach you the short technique, I've already taught you in my exercise 4.2 also. So here again I'm going to teach you. So don't apply this shortcut method here. Okay, you can only do this shortcut. What I'm going to teach you is when your divisor is 10, 100,000, 10,000 and all. Okay, so let's start, and it is very easy to fill without dividing, without doing long division and all. I'm going to fill these boxes. I'm going to find this question and remainder. In question number 1, we have done long division, then we have got the question, then we have got the remainder. So here without dividing, without long division, short division, I am going to fill this box, that is question and remainder. Okay, now how to do, you see here only. Okay, so what is the question? Is 956 divided by 10. 956 divided by 10. So we have to find the question and remainder. Okay, so I'll just copy the number to show you how to do. So what is the question? 956 divided by 10. So I've already said you in 10 how many zeros are there? Only one. Only one zero is there. So from back you will cut one number. Okay, from back side. Okay, you will cut one number. So which number you have cut? The number which you will cut. How many zero is there? 1. So only one number we will cut. Okay, so we will cut only one number, and the number which you will cut is your remainder. What it is? It is your remainder. Okay, and the numbers which are left is your quotient. It is your quotient. Okay, very simply I have done this now. So again I will tell you, you will do this only when it is divided by 10, 100,000 and all. Okay, don't apply this method what I have said you to cut the number 1 in these numbers. Okay, when the divisor are 5, 6, 7, don't do in that. Okay, now see. Okay, this one. So again I'll copy the question. 493 divided by 10. Okay, so in 10 how many zero is there? Only 1. So from back I will cut 1. What is it? From back I will cut 1 digit. Okay, not from front, from back you will cut. So I'll cut this 3. So I have cut this 3. So this 3 is what? The number which I will cut is what? Is the remainder. Okay, so which number I have cut is 3. Is my remainder, and what is left is my quotient. Okay, 49. Now E. Okay, again I will copy. Why I am copying is I don't want to cut and make it dirty. Okay, so I am making here only. Okay, so I am writing it separately, and I'll just copy the answer. So divide by 100. In 100 how many zeros are there? 2. In 10 only 1. So that is why we have cut one number. In 100 how many zeros are there? 2. So from back we'll cut this 2 digit. 1, 2. So what number we have cut? Which number we have cut is 67. Okay, the number which we will cut is our remainder, and the number which is left is our quotient. Okay, so you can see so easily I have filled these boxes. Okay, without doing any long division, short division, I have filled these boxes. Okay, now let's see the last question, question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 is identify the following numbers as even or odd and fill in the boxes. So in this question we are going to identify the number as odd or even. We don't have to do any division, anything. Okay, I'll teach you the shortcut. Okay, without dividing you can say whether it is even or odd. Okay, and we can fill these boxes. Okay, so before teaching this question, let me tell you and teach you what is this even and odd number. So what is an even number? A number with digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its ones place is an even number. Okay, first of all I will teach you what is even number. Okay, what is even number? So what I said, the number, okay, with digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its ones place. Okay, you know already what is ones tens now. So when you will see in ones place, when you will see at ones place this 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means they are what? Even numbers. Okay, they are even numbers. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, at its ones place is an what? It is an even number. Okay, so when you will see this digit at its ones place, that means that number is even number. Okay, so let me give you one example. I am writing here 72. Okay, so this is ones place, this is tens place. Okay, so what is even number? I have already said you, when you will see this 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, otherwise you just remember the number which comes in 2 table, and in 2 table this all comes now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 means 10 is there. Okay, said in ones place when you will see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this one is the ones place. So you can see 2 no here in the one place, that means this one is even number. Okay, what it is? It is even number. Other example, I am giving you 856. So let's see this ones, tens, hundred. So in ones place you can see 6, and 6 is there. 6 is there now? Yes, that means this is even number. This is also even number. Okay, when you will see at ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means they are even number. Or when you will divide that number and it gets divided by 2, that means they are even number. So why to go for that long one? No, the divide and then see whether it is even or odd. Just you keep in your mind that if you will see this 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at ones place, that means they are even number. What are they? Even number. Okay, at ones place when you will see, that means they are even number. Now what is odd number? Okay, a number with digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at its ones place is an odd number. Okay, so what is an odd number? Odd number. So when you will see a number, okay, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this number doesn't come in 2 table, no? This number doesn't come in 2 table. And when you will see this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at its ones place. Okay. Okay. At its ones place is an odd number. Okay. When these digits, okay, are at ones place, okay, in any number, that means that number is an odd number. For example, like 263. Okay, so this is ones, tens, hundred. So at ones place you can see this 3, no? That means this one is odd number. Okay, I'm giving other example 159. So this one is ones, tens, hundred. You can see at ones place 9 is there. That means this is odd number. Okay, what is this? This is odd number. You have to remember, okay, that if these digits are there at ones place, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means they are even number. Okay, and when you will see at at ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that means they are odd number. At ones place you will see, okay, if at ones place it is there, that means they are odd number, and if you will see this digit at ones place, that means they are even number. Okay, odd number, you can see that these numbers do not come in 2 table, it do not make any pair, so they are odd number. Okay, so now let's see what is question number 3. Okay, so question number 3. Okay, identify the following numbers as even or odd and fill in the boxes. So I've already said you, okay, what we are going to see in this question is that at ones place, if there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means they are even numbered. Okay, and if at ones place if we see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that means they are odd numbers. Okay, So let me write here so that it will become easy for you to understand. Okay, so for even, what we have to see? Even, what you have to see? Which digit? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at ones place. Okay, and for odd, what we have to see is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at ones place. Okay, so let's see. This one is the ones place, no? Ones, tens, hundred. This one is 783. So at ones place, what is there? 3. So in a, or what is say, in even number 3 is not there. That means this is not even. Okay, it is not divisible by 2. It doesn't come in 2 table. So in odd number it is there, no? So this, if 3 is there at ones place, that means this one is what? This one is odd number. Okay, what it is? This one is odd. So we will write here ODD, odd. Okay, so now again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is 1009. Okay, so 9 is in even? No. 9 is in odd? Yes. So 9 is at ones place. Okay, and this is what? Odd. And 9 doesn't come in 2 table. Okay, now in E, this one is ones, tens, 100, 904, and 4 is divisible by 2, no? 4 comes in 2 table, and 4, if we will see 4 at ones place, that means this is even number. This one is even. So write here even. Okay, and now G, you can see at ones place, what is there? 2. Okay, this one is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 8732. So at ones place you can see 2. That means this one is even. Okay, 2 comes in 2 table. Now I. Okay, this one at ones place, what is there? 0, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 6000. At ones place, what is there? 0. Okay, so 0 is the digit. Okay, if it comes at ones place, that means it is even number. So write here even. Now last one, you can see at ones place, what is there? 9, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That means this is 15,689, and 9 is what? Odd. Okay, this is the odd number. Okay, and it is at ones place, and this is also odd. So what will write here? Odd number. This one is odd number. Okay, so this was so easy, you know. I have taught you easily. Okay, just remember this. If you will see this numbers at ones place, that means they are even number, and if you see this numbers at ones place, that means they are odd number. Okay, so for today up to this much. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, so you can ask me, okay, on my WhatsApp number. Okay, if you have any doubt, I would like to clear it. Okay, so for today up to this much. So whatever I have done, do this all in your copy as classwork, and I'll give you also homework. Okay, so you will do that in your copy. Okay, thank you.